Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Technical ArCoAn, myself Arnab Kundu. In today's Python video, I will show how to rename and remove files using Python. It is very important skill for file handling. Okay, so go to the computer screen. Using Python ideally, I will discuss today's topic step by step. So let's get started. Hello friends, I am just within the Python IDE and here I will write the code to implement rename and remove operations on files using Python. Okay, so at first we create a file in write mode and then we write something within that file and then read the data from there and then we rename the file and then remove the file. Okay, so these steps we will follow one after another. Okay, so at first we open a file, means the file we want to create within a particular folder. Suppose we want to create the file within my E drive ML folder, so within that we create a file. Okay, so at first we write in that way. Suppose file1 equal to open, and within parentheses and within double quote we put the path, total path where we want to create the file. Okay, so just write e://ml// and suppose put the file name file_1.txt. okay, and we open the file in write mode. Okay, so parenthesis close, enter. Okay, so now we want to write something within that file, so use here write method. In that way we just write the statement file1.write, and suppose we write at first this line, welcome to my channel Technical ArCoAn. Okay, double quote and parenthesis close, and before close we just put a new line. So what happened, the first line just written within the file and then the cursor will be the new line. From the next line the writing will be started. Okay, and after that we write another line, so just write file1.write, and suppose we write here parenthesis open and within double quote suppose write it is an educational channel. Okay, double quote end, before double quote end again put a new line, double quote end, parenthesis close. Okay, now we just close the file because we don't need to write any more, so just write file1.close, parenthesis open, close. Okay, now we read the file. Okay, so in that case we write in that way. Suppose write here with open and put the total path e://file_1.txt double quote close, comma, within double quote put R for read the file, and then just write as f2. Okay, and then put a colon and then just read the file in that way. Just write data equal and just write f2 dot read. Okay, means we read the all data which is written within the file_1.txt. okay, and then we just print the data in the console. Just outside that just write print data, and same way we close the file, so just write f2 dot close. Okay, so at first we create the file, write two lines and then read the all data from there. Okay, after that we again write something within that, so we just write in that way again file1 equal open, and same way we put the total path, and the same way put the path and the write mode, just put here, and then we just write in that way. Suppose file1.write, suppose write here in that way Technical ArCoAn double quote, before ending the quote put new line, means /n double quote end and this close, and after that suppose we want to close the file, so file1.close. okay, now we save the file, so just put the name of the file, suppose file_12, and we know the Python extension is .py. Press enter. So we already create the file, put the file name file_12.py. Okay, now we run the code, just press F5. Yes, it will retrieve from the file first 2 lines, because after that whatever we put within that, it's not present into there. And one thing is most important here, whatever we next line we put the right mode. So what happened, I just go to the folder. So this is the file_1. Only this technical algorithm is there. Why? Because we are using here only the write mode, because the existing content is no more exist. So to retain the existing content, we should put here A for append and again run the code. So now these 2 lines is only shown because only the first 2 lines is given, but in the file there are 3 lines should be. Yes, why? Because we put the append mode. Okay, I have already cleared these things in my previous file handling video. You just go to my Python playlist and you can check this program. And today's problem is that we want to rename the file. We already create the file and put the name file_1 in the particular path E drive ML folder. Okay, now we rename it. Suppose we rename this file_1 to file_12. How? Just using the Python code. In that case, we just put a module here, just write import os. This module is needed. And after that, we just call in that way os.rename. Okay, and then put the old path name at first. So we just copy this path from there, and then put the new path of the new file name, and we just copy it and change the file name and just put here file_1 2. File_1 2 means we already store in my folder the name is file_1, and now we rename it file_12. Save it, again run, and just go to that folder. Yes, it changed to file_12, means we are renaming it, right? And now we remove the file. So just see, the file is already there, E drive ML folder. Now if you want to remove, just run 1 line. Now I just remove the file. The file name is file_12.txt, and in that case we just write os.remove, and within double quote just put the file path with the proper file name, because the file name is just renamed from file_1 to file_12. Okay, now if we save the file and again run, yes, it just show the first 2 lines, because we only retrieve the first 2 lines, because after that whatever we add we do not read from the file. And after that we just rename it, and now we remove the file. So in that folder there is no file_12. Why? Because we remove the file from there, right? So this is the very beauty, and this is one of the very important skill for file handling is concerned in Python. I hope you have understood how to implement this rename and remove operations on file using Python code. If you have some doubts for today's video is concerned, just write in the comment section. I will try to solve this problem. Those who are still not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. Keep watching Technical ArCoAn for more videos. Today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.